Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode. We have the Rage of the Abyss box to open up here. As you know, I'm not going through boxes anymore, so I'll be opening a couple packs. As you know from the Duelist Nexus, I could not stop opening packs, but I was looking for the Crimson Dragon. I guess I'm looking for Primite support, or Blue Eye support through Primite cards here, specifically Lordy Load. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, we pull something good off the first couple of packs, and if not, well, it is what it is. But we're gonna have to have a lot of discipline on this one today, so we're not looking to open the whole pack. Again, I didn't get my knife, so I got a little pen here. Just not stab ourselves with the pen. Open this up. All right, there we go. The unboxing of the Rage of the Abyss booster box. I love opening up boxes. As a child, I never could afford boxes, and now I've bought in so many boxes I've filled a binder and then some. But it is what it is. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. I'm always opening these 24 pack ones. I have not found a 36 pack booster box yet, so let me know in the comments where those are. Also, blisters. If you're in Canada, where's all the Walmart blisters at? I don't understand. Walmart doesn't sell any Yu-Gi-Oh cards anymore. But yeah, either way, hit like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Support is fantastic. I appreciate all of yous. And without further ado, let's rip these. Let's rip these, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Release Brainwashing, Aquajet Surface, Time Engine, Sanguine Furo, Performage Ball Balancer, Man the Ultra Human, Veil Monica, Hereditaire, Token Support, and Centurion, Primera Primus. Ooh, nice. Spellcaster Synchro Tuner Effect. Cannot be destroyed by battle unless it was special summoned from the extra deck. Well, what? I don't understand that. Unless it was special summoned from the extra deck. Oh, like through like Crimson Dragon, I suppose. Let me know in the comments section what this wording means, because I'm assuming a synchro summon is not a special summon. But yeah, you can only use each of the following effects of Centurion Primera Primus once per turn. If this card is synchro summon, you can add one emblema card from your deck to or graveyard to your hand. Then you can destroy 2 cards, one on each field. The face-up Centurion card you control leaves the field by an opponent's card effects. While this card is in your graveyard, except during the damage step, you can special summon this card. That would be that would come back to what this means then. So if it's special summoned from the grave through this effect, it cannot it can be destroyed by battle. Okay. Gotcha. Pack number 1. Not too shabby. Pack number 2. Let's go, baby. Give me something good. Also, hopefully I didn't blast your eardrums with that Imseti reveal. I tried turning down the volume, but I mean, I did turn down the volume compared to the rest of the video, but yeah, give me a break. I'm still learning this editing stuff. Okay, let's go. Sanguine Furo, Heavy Cavalry of the Indestructible Insects, Summer Schoolwork Successful, Flipping Feline, Man the Ultra Human, XYZ Poseidon Splash, and Fiendsmith's Agnumde. 2 monsters, including a light fiend monster. Once per turn, you can target 1 light non-link fiend monster in your graveyard, special summon it. If you do, equip this card you control of that monster as an equipped spell with the following effects. The equipped monster gains attack equal to the total link rating of link monsters equipped to it times 600. If the equipped monster attacks a defense monster, inflicts piercing damage to your opponent. Oh, not too shabby. Is Fiendsmith Engraver in this? I don't know. I didn't know there was Fiendsmith. I didn't look at what it was. I just looked for the Lordy Load, what pack it was in, and it said Rage of the Abyss. So I said, hey, let me try that pack. Let me see what else is in there. I'm pretty sure this got some Primate monsters in there too. One El Magi Mergi, Abyss Sting Triana, Zoa the Fiendish Beast, Six Strike Double Assault, Reincarnation Unveiling Nail, Azamina Determination, Insect Invitation, and Flipping Feline and Abyss Shrine the Atlantean Spirit. Alright. Secret rare. I'll take it. Pack number 3. Let's go. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have something you'd like for me to open. Like a certain set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zoa the Fiendish Beast. Azamina. Zol Ersikton. So Azamina's in this, obviously. Union Pilot. Battle Wasp. Rapier the Onslaught. Anarchist Monk in the Sixth Samurai. Guilt of the Sinful Spoils. Phalanope Sisters. Phalanope? I'm horrible with the pronunciations. Never Ending Nightmare Absorber. And Giant Mimighoul. The Secret Rare. Wow. Okay, no, the first one was Ultra, second Super, 2 Secret Rares. Back to back. Pack number 4. Let's see. Let's see what we will pull here. At the time I'm pulling cards, I don't even know are good, so let me know in the comments what's good if I don't react to it. Because if I didn't react to it, I obviously didn't understand what I had. So a little help from the community, definitely a good thing. So let your boy know. Armored Shark, Guilt of the Sinful Spoils, Phalanope Sisters, and Firestorms over Atlantis in the Super Rare. Let's go for another pack. Let's go. I'm thinking of getting the Quarter Century Stampede box, but it is pricey. It's on pre-order right now, which I'm assuming is cheaper just because the Blue Eyes White Destiny was $12 on pre-order. And it jumped up to like 35 or something like that. Like, I couldn't believe how much it went up. I should have bought a whole bunch just to sell at a lower price than what they have now and make a little bit of money. So Primite card, there we go. Primite Howl. Declare one normal monster card name. You take no battle damage from battles involving your declared normal monster or your Primite monsters for the rest of this turn. Then if you control no monsters, you can special summon one declared normal monster from your deck or graveyard. During your opponent's turn, you can banish this card from your graveyard, then target one normal monster you control or in your graveyard and take control of one monster your opponent controls with higher attack than that monster until the end phase. Not bad. I'll put this to the side. Again, my deck right now is a little overbearing with spell and trap cards. I have to change that up. So I will be making a video with you guys. I know I said that last time, but I'm a very busy man, and sometimes it's hard to get to stuff. Alright, Goblin Biker Grand Crisis, and number 32, Shark Drake Levis in the Super Rare. Alright, 2 more packs, 2 more. 2 more packs. At least we pulled a Primite. It's a common card, but that doesn't mean nothing. It's I'm here for the addition to my deck mostly than value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Chaos Star Source Dragon, Mementolin, Akiron, Mimigul Fork, Newbie. That's what I am. Reincarnation, Unveiling Male, QQ, Enagon, Performage Ball Balancer, Puppet Shark, and Legendary Lord Six Samurai, Ainshi. Alright, another synchro. Yeah, we went out and bought the Crimson Dragon single. I mean, I ordered it. The guy at the store didn't grab it yet, and he's closed for the next 2 days, so I'm not gonna get it. There is a regional tournament tomorrow in my area, but I didn't sign up for it, and honestly, I don't think I'm ready for it, just because I don't win enough at locals. I mean, I could go just for the experience, obviously, but yeah, I didn't sign up, so it is what it is. The Mechanical Dawn. One more pack. One more pack. See? See? No discipline, especially with it sitting right here. That's why I need it. I need to open it and just leave it in my room. Because that way, I have to walk all the way to the room. Not that it's far, but I'd have to leave the camera. And I don't want to close the video to have more editing to do. Because the less editing, the better. Newbie again. Adam and Jewel. One Magi Mergy. Release Brainwashing. Anarchist Monk of the Six Samurai. Azamina Determination. Never-Ending Nightmare Absorber. XYZ Poseidon Splash. And Mermail King Neptibus. Mermail. Alright, let's keep going. Whatever. Whatever. I do what I want. I lost track of how many packs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's pack number 8. 8 out of 24, so if I stop here, I could do 3 more videos, 2 more videos of the same thing, but we'll see. Another Primite Howl. Centurion Chimeria. Yeah, Centurion is a good card as well. I have never played it though. I've just played against it in Master Duel. So I've seen some of what it can do. Alright, this is the last pack. I am putting this box away, out of arm's reach. I mean, it's not out of arm's reach by definition because I didn't stand up. I could reach it, but this is our last pack. Armed Rebellion. Come on, last pack magic. Ragnaraka, Wisteria of Woe. Zoa the Fiendish Beast. 6 Strike, Double Assault. Chaos Allure Queen. Flipping Feline. Insect Invitation. And Primite Howl. And Goblin Bikers Gone Wild. Control no monsters, or all monsters you control are goblin monsters. You can normal summon this card without tributing. You can only use each of the following effects of Goblin Bikers Gone Wild once per turn. If this card is normal or special summon, you can special summon 1 level 4 or lower goblin monster from your deck. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target 1 card on the field, attach it to 1 goblin XYZ monster you control. Yeah, the Goblin Bikers archetype is very powerful as well. Alright, so that's that. We are done opening. Hands are up. We will not be taking any more packs out of the box until the next video. So hit like, comment something you liked about the video, something you didn't like about the video. Every comment helps. Hit that subscription, please. Share it with your friends. And let's get some people back into Yu-Gi-Oh! Because a lot of trading card enthusiasts are either Magic players or Pokemon. Because, yeah, Pokemon's obviously very popular. But yeah, let's get more people into Yu-Gi-Oh! Because the more people play Yu-Gi-Oh!, the better the game will be overall for everybody. There's going to be more locals, more prizes, more things of this nature. So if you do like video Yu-Gi-Oh! And you're doing it by yourself, just share my videos. Maybe someone will get onto it, or more importantly, the YouTube algorithm is going to start pushing YouTube content to them. It doesn't have to be mine, and eventually they're gonna see so much that they're gonna come start playing Yu-Gi-Oh. So that is the end goal here, is to get more players into Yu-Gi-Oh. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Peace.